Mugling. Thank you. So that's it. This is the property where I stayed yesterday. CMT Resort. Good place. Yesterday's journey was from Chisapani till here. Namaste and good morning, folks. Welcome to my channel, which is all about travel, views and reviews. And today is the last day of my East West Nepal ride. I'd have said our East West Nepal ride. I mean, I can still say our East West Nepal ride because my riding partner Anish was there with me till yesterday. You all know that his bike broke down and he had to fly back from Nepalganj to Kathmandu, and I did a solo ride from Nepalganj till Narayanghat here, and now I'm returning back. The time is 8:45 now, and I wanted to start early. I wanted to do that, but sleep is so important. जब निन्द्रा लागिरहेछ त्यो निन्द्रालाई म डिस्टर्ब गर्दिन. I don't disturb it. I don't put alarm, and then I don't force myself to wake up. If I woke up by myself at 5 or 6, I'd have started earlier. But I left it as it is, and I got up by 8. Fine, I had my breakfast, and then I'm just continuing my journey. I just stopped here to view my bike screen. Pokhara 126, Gorkha 66, Besisar 102, Kathmandu 138. 23 kilometers away from Narayanghat. I think this is the place where maintenance work is going on, and because of which the roads are closed from 12 to 3. I'm just trying to find out where is the place, but this also I'm not sure. Man, what is there? There is a road this side and construction work can go. This should be the place, because other than that I didn't see any place where the work was going on or that would hamper the traffic. Okay, Mugling is just 15 kilometers away from here now. There is another one I got here. Dust is something which I do not want to see. I had enough of it yesterday. Oh, another construction place. Nice. राम्रो हुन्छ यो रोड पछि. हेभी ट्रकले बिगारेको बाटो ट्याक्क टाइममा बनाएन भने इट्स गोना बी ट्रबल फर लङ टाइम. यस्तो टाइपले टालटुल गर्दै भइहाल्यो नि. धेरै ठाउँमा काम भइरहेको रहेछ त यता त. This one is the major place, I think. It looks like that, because this bridge is overall screwed up and the place is also very congested. Not yet in Mugling. के हो यो बाटो त पुरै पुलको बाटो हुन्छ कि के हो? अरे वाह, another bridge construction here. I think Narayanghat Mugling section is going to be a place with maximum number of pool. So the construction bhayirahach crap. Can you see that? Heavy equipments up there. How did it reach there? Kataबाट होला यार बाटो. Lo. Major work, guys. Major work is going on here, this side. 10 o'clock we are here at Mugling, and sometimes back I just read a milestone which said Kathmandu 111 kilometers. I was like, only 111 kilometers is like nothing for me now. And imagine what was our condition during K2K ride. Some days we did 800 plus kilometers. Some days 700 kilometers. So 500 was nothing for us. 100 kilometers and all, we used to, I and Vijay sir used to say, okay, let's stop for water break after 100 kilometers. That was kind of long ride, and I enjoyed it. I seriously enjoyed it. Okay, Kathmandu is 105 now. Oh, only. And oh yes, let's get into the rhythm of riding. Tata Nexon EV. These people are selling their car like hotcakes, man. Nowadays, looks like Nexon is going to be Momof in Nepali market. EV market, I mean to say. And people, I wanted to clarify on something, you know. I was just checking videos, copying videos from GoPro to my laptop yesterday, and I was checking few videos also. And few places where I have stopped the bike and I'm having tea, or maybe I'm stretching. Those times and all, the way the video is recorded, my stomach looks very big. Guys, it's not that big, huh? My stomach is looking like that because of the wide angle, super wide angle of GoPro Hero 9. No, I'm not saying it's small, but it's not that big. Manakamana Gate. Jai Manakamana Mai. God bless everybody. It's Saturday and yes, there will be a rush here. It has started already. Just did 60 kilometers from Narangad. It's 10:30. I had started at around 9, I think, so 1.5 hours of ride. And I'm getting a little bit of sun now. Happy. So guys, you might as well have a question, you know, like why this East West Nepal ride? And it was this ride, if you have seen my videos, it's all about rides, nothing much, because I'm planning to do a very long ride very soon. Our body needs practice also, and East West Nepal ride is something that I wanted to do from a long time. I have already explained in my previous videos about what we enjoy doing. We enjoy time on saddle. We love it. We also love to see places, but that also happens, but in a very different style. One thing that I wanted to see in this ride was Dodara Chandani Bridge. That was something which I really wanted to see, and yes, I did that. And when I was planning this East West Nepal ride, Anish came in. Anish said yes, he also wants to do it. Then I said, come on, welcome buddy. Anish ko bike le trouble to diyo, but at least we made from east to west. If kilometer wise, you see, I didn't do much. What every day we did around 300 360 kilometers like that, and today I'll be doing only 150 kilometers. But how much time you are spending on saddle is also very important. In our country, the roads are bad now. It will be good in the future though. Now the construction is going on. The roads are bad, and 300 kilometers means some 9 hours we are spending on saddle, some 10 hours we are spending on saddle. That is also a long time, and that's also giving us a practice. So yeah, that's the reason, you know, I'm doing a long ride very soon. I'm not announcing it now because I've not decided on dates and all those things. But yes, I'll be doing a long ride very soon. You might also ask me, wasn't this a long ride? Oh yes, it was around what, 2,500 kilometers? Yes, this was also a long ride. But other one will be longer. The roads are very busy today, you know. It's mostly because of that Chitwan, that Narangad section, which closes. And that's the first 100 kilometer of the day. Oh yes, I just crossed Bairini town and I am entering Gulchi now. Yes, that's Gulchi. And I did not stop anywhere. I did not take a break. Yes, that was not required. That's the reason. And I don't think I'm gonna take any break also. Let's see. Way towards Nuakot from Gulchi. Nice. Pleasant ride. And with this 100 kilometers we have done total 2288 kilometers. Hello darkness, my old friend, I have come to talk with you again. Hello darkness, my old friend, I have come to talk with you again. moment of silence for us all. What happened here? Ambulance is stuck. Shit. Okay, this truck is not able to pull, I think. यति मसिनो बाटो छ, एउटा ट्रकको पनि केही खराबी भयो भने यस्तो हुन्छ. एम्बुलेन्स हो के मेन प्रब्लम. An ambulance is stopped there. Oh yes, 145 kilometers from Narayangarh till Kathmandu. I am here in Kalanki now, and the total distance we have covered in this East West Nepal ride is 2,333 kilometers till Kalanki. Arey wah! We had started our ride on Sunday and today is Saturday. So thank you God, and thank you people. Thank you for everything. The ride went fantastic. I am super happy. What else? It's a rider's dream, you know, of Nepal. Riders from Nepal, you know, we all dream about doing East West Nepal ride. Done it. Thank you Anish for being part of it. And beautiful road inside Kathmandu city. See? नराम्रो चीज मात्र देखाउँदैन नि, राम्रो चीज पनि देखाउँछु. So what I am doing now is I am going to give a surprise to Priyadarshini. She is at her mama ghar. She had called me sometimes back and she was asking me if I had my food or not. She is a caring daughter. So I thought I'll give her a surprise now. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you guys for supporting my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Not the long ride that I had mentioned some time back. That will happen sometimes later, or this year. Not that late also, but let's see. So yep, Saturday today. Have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy with your family. I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.